Hey, this is me after a bath. I was screaming like crazy a minute ago. I'm gonna be 2 months old in 4 days. I'm getting more fat on my legs. Yes, I heard that. Getting more fat on my arms. Say hello. Eddie. Say hi. Hi. Ooh. Ooh. Say I was made in Charlotte. And Dad's in the background. Yes.
That was Eddie.
That was Senior. That wasn't Little Man. Yeah. Say hi. Whoa. Show me a dance. Show me a dance. Wiggle them arms. You do such a good job. What are you looking at over here? What are you looking at over here? Uh-oh, sneezy. Oh, never mind. So you're just trying to figure out how to talk. Are you going to talk as much as Mama? One of these days, you're going to have to do all the talking on these video clips. Nobody wants to hear me talk. Nobody wants to hear me talk. We want to hear you. Say hi. See my shirt? Made in Charlotte. Say, we got that at the fertility clinic. And now look at you. Now look at you.